To book an Uber, start by downloading and installing the Uber app on your smartphone. Once installed, open the app and create an account or sign in if you already have one. Next, set your pickup location by typing in the address or selecting it from the map. You can also choose from a list of suggested locations such as home or work. After setting your pickup location, choose your destination by typing in the address or selecting it from the map. You can also save frequently visited locations such as home or work for easy access. Now, select the type of ride you want to book, such as UberX, Uberpool, or Uber Black. The app will show you the estimated fare and arrival time for each option. Once you have selected your ride, review the details of your trip, including the pickup location, destination, and estimated fare. If everything is correct, confirm your booking by tapping the request button. The app will then show you the details of your driver, including their name, photo, and the make and model of their car. You can also track the location of your driver in real time. When your driver arrives, check that the make and model of the car matches the one shown in the app, and that the driver's name and photo match the ones shown in the app. This is an important safety precaution to ensure you get into the correct car. Finally, get into the car and start your journey. You can track your route in real time using the app, and you will also receive an estimated arrival time. At the end of your trip, the app will prompt you to pay for your ride using the payment method you have saved in the app. You can also rate your driver and provide feedback on your trip. By following these steps, you can easily book an Uber and get where you need to go safely and efficiently. Remember to always check the details of your driver and the make and model of their car before getting into the vehicle.